Okay. Yeah, so my name is Nikhil and I represent Quevent. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Great. Alright. So we are a team of 7 and let's get started. So a few questions. Now, if you are at a bar, would you like to order drinks in a bar which is crowded like this? Or like this? Depends. So, okay. Okay, that's okay. Depends. Would you like to eat here? Or here? You don't want to eat? Okay, no, okay. Okay, we have suggestions for you. Would you like to drive here? Or here? Yeah, okay, great. So I guess you have a hang of what we try to do. So we are a location-based platform and we help people know how crowded places are using crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing means the people who are there at that point of time, they are the ones who would give you feedback on how crowded that place is. Of course using mobile phones and location awareness. It's targeted at retail stores and coffee shops to start with, but then even roads. I mean, if you want to know how crowded a particular road is, you can know that. And of course, we are going to provide suggestions on whether a place is crowded or not. Those suggestions can be organic and they can be sponsored. We'll come back to that in a little while. Okay, and the most important question. So, since it is crowdsourced, people are the ones who have to give feedback. Why would they give feedback? What's the incentive? So every time you give feedback, every time you say that a particular place is crowded, you would get some points. You can exchange those points for real life offers in restaurants, in other places. And yeah, of course, we'll come back to that. Some examples of suggestions. Say you want to go out for coffee. So Cafe Coffee Day in Janpat is empty. This is the kind of suggestion that you can get from the app. The Janpat one is empty, but there is a traffic jam if you are going to that outlet. So better not go there. It's better to go to the Khan Market outlet, which is more crowded, but you can reach there earlier. Another example. So Urban Print is a club in GK2. So on a Saturday night, if you want to go there, it may be crowded, whereas Shailong is not so crowded, so you may want to go there. The third thing is Big Bazaar. Now, Big Bazaar is like Walmart in India, and it gets crazy. Like Wednesdays are days when Big Bazaar is, they have a lot of discount. It gets crazy on those days. You may not want to go there on a Wednesday. Tuesday evening may be better. So something like that. So these are suggestions which are going to be given to you by the app based on what feedback has been given by people over a period of time. The suggestions can be organic, which can be based on trends, or they can be real time, which can be based on people who are there at that time. Okay, a short demo. I really wanted to do this over the phone. I mean, using my phone, but it's very small. I don't know how many people see this. So, I have an emulator over here. And I'm sorry for the code, for those who don't understand code. The code. You understand code, okay? Yeah, the code is loaded. Okay, so we just built a very, very simple application which does something like this. You would have at least 2 tabs. You can search for a venue over here. So now we have another problem. Okay, I'll try once. If it doesn't work, I'll just tell you what it does. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just tell you what it does. So, you're supposed to enter the name of a place over here. Something like American Center. This is the place you want to know whether it is crowded over here or not. And you hit how crowded it is. It uses the GPS device on your phone or your tablet. Same, it uses Foursquare in the background, gets location data. Sends put, so there are 2 ways now. Yeah, so there are 2 ways. It sends push notifications to people who are at American Center or around American Center at that time. They give back a feedback on whether